Imagine making over $100,000 a year and still checking your bank account before buying groceries. Still feeling that quiet anxiety every time a bill shows up. Still wondering, where did all my money go? Here's the truth most people don't talk about. A high income does not guarantee wealth. In fact, it often creates the illusion of it. And that illusion is exactly what keeps so many high earners broke. Every year, thousands of people cross into six-figure income. They believe they've made it, that they've finally escaped financial stress. But within a few months, something strange happens. Their lifestyle quietly upgrades, and their expenses rise just as fast as their income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest financial traps in modern society. Let's say you get a raise. You go from making $60,000 to $100,000 a year. At first, everything feels amazing. You have more money than ever before. So naturally, you reward yourself. You move into a better apartment, you upgrade your car, you start eating out more often, you subscribe to more services, and slowly your new normal becomes expensive. What once felt like luxury now feels like necessity. And just like that, your extra income disappears. Here's the dangerous part. Lifestyle inflation doesn't feel like a problem. It feels like success. You tell yourself, I worked hard for this, and you're not wrong. But the system is designed to keep you spending. Every app, every ad, every social platform pushes you to upgrade your life constantly because your spending is someone else's profit. So the more you earn, the more pressure you feel to spend. This is why so many high earners are living paycheck to paycheck, even with six-figure salaries. They look rich from the outside. Nice apartment, nice car, nice lifestyle. But behind the scenes, they have little to no savings, little to no investments, and a constant fear of losing their income. Here's the truth most people never realize. Wealth is not built from income. It's built from the gap between income and expenses. That gap is everything. If you make $100,000 and spend $98,000, you're not building wealth, you're maintaining a lifestyle. But if you make $100,000 and live on $60,000, that $40,000 gap becomes your power. This is where wealthy people think differently. They don't just focus on earning more, they focus on keeping more. They delay upgrades, they control lifestyle inflation, they invest the difference, and over time, that difference compounds, quietly, slowly, powerfully. So how do you avoid the lifestyle inflation trap? First, set a lifestyle ceiling. No matter how much you earn, decide how much you'll spend. Second, automate your investments. Pay yourself first before upgrading your life. Third, question every upgrade. Ask yourself, do I need this or am I just trying to match my income? And finally, focus on long-term freedom, not short-term comfort. Because at the end of the day, looking rich is easy, but being financially free requires discipline, requires awareness, and most importantly, requires control over your lifestyle. So the next time your income increases, don't rush to upgrade your life. Upgrade your future instead. Because the goal isn't to earn more money. The goal is to keep it. And that's how you escape the lifestyle inflation trap.